everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to do our drawing for the giveaway, my 1 year YouTubeversary. All the names are in this bowl. I had 10 participants this time, which far outdoes the last giveaway I did at 100 subscribers. I only had 4. So I'm super excited that more people participated this time. Anyhow, before we get to that, I gotta show you guys something. I ordered this the other day, and I am so surprised that it came this quickly. I ordered it Thursday night, and it's here already, and I am so stoked. I actually ordered a bunch of stuff, and you'll see a lot of it as it comes in. But this is so cool, you guys. They're grow bags. And they're 20 gallons a piece. They're 16 inches across, and oh dear, I forget how tall they are. I think they're about 14 inches tall. They're from Garden Forever, and I can't wait to bust one open. This is going to help me to have more gardening space in my tiny little garden. And also will help me because I can move these around the garden and get light where I need it, or give a plant shade if it needs it. I'm just going to pull one out. Oh my. Oh, you know what they remind me of? They remind me of those cube things that you get for the kids' rooms and stuffed toys and things in. That's what they remind me of, but they're made of felt. All right. It's winning. Oh my goodness, it's big. Look. Look, wait. I gotta get a better shot of it. Look, it takes up half of my table. I am very excited. Can you imagine how many carrots I can throw in there? Or beets, or onions. I'm very excited now. I'm very excited. And see, it has the handles right here on the side. You just, I guess, pick it up and move it as long as it looks like it's sewn fairly well. So that's my little surprise for myself this week. And I wanted to show you guys fall tomatoes. These have been, oh, and this is some more butternut squash that I started. And this is Red Bull Brussels sprouts. And they're kind of a purple color. And I was so excited to get these because I've never seen a purple Brussels sprout before. The rumor is that Brussels sprouts are not very easy to grow down here in Zone 9. So I'm going to plant some in September, some in October, and some in November, and see which ones do the best. But I've got, let's see, 4, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, and see, these tomatoes here are about 2 weeks ahead of these little scrawny tomatoes here. I've got Early Wonder, which is a 55-day tomato. I've got Clear Pink Early, which is a 58-day tomato. And then I've got New Big Dwarf. Now this one only gets about 2 feet tall, but it puts on a beefsteak-sized tomato. So I'm really looking forward to these. Also, I couldn't resist planting Sweet Million cherries because I didn't really get a lot of cherry tomatoes over the spring and summer, so I kind of missed them. And these are my favorites. So I have 2 of those plants. Anyhow, you'll see when it all gets put out in the fall. Actually, the bigger tomato plants, they're going to go in around August 15th. They're going to go in the ground. And then the ones that are 2 weeks behind, they're going to go in the ground about 2 to 3 weeks later. And I'm also going to start some more so that I'll be able to get tomatoes all the way up until probably Our first frost is around December 7th. I've been tracking it for 10 years. It's hardly ever before December 7th. There was one time, and you're not going to believe this, it snowed in South Mississippi for half the day. It was crazy. It was my son's 9th birthday, and he kept wishing and wishing for snow. Every year it would be around his birthday, and we'd ask him, "What do you want for your birthday, son?" And he would say, "I just want to go and see snow." And we'd have to tell him every year, in order for us to see snow at this time of year, we would have to drive so far away. I said, and you can't miss school because his birthday's, right before the Christmas holiday. And that year that it snowed, he was the happiest little boy you ever saw. So let's get to that drawing, y'all. Look, I got to hold it up here, and I'm going to stir them around, and I'm going to pick a name right. I hope that's only one. Hobby Doc Bay, you are the winner of the $25 gift card to Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds. I will leave a comment under your comment on this video, and we'll get in touch with each other. It's going to be through the email, so what I'll do is I'll purchase the gift certificate and just email it right to you, okay? Hobby Doc Bay, congratulations. I hope you enjoy them. So, I've got some more videos that I want to work on, and I'm going to be posting a lot this week, so you guys get ready, because it's almost fall. You guys have a great evening, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?